Hi Resolute educators. We're kicking off 2026 with brand new features designed to make your year simpler and smoother. Log in to the Resolute LMS today to see a fresh new tutorial that gets you up to speed on Resolute, support, and what to do next. We have created a brand new onboarding checklist to guide you step by step to success. For our Resolute champions, you are now able to manage your team of educators. A new feature we are really excited about. This includes assigning training slots to a member of your team. We have made booking your training session easier than ever right here on the LMS. Choose your date, time and session all in one place. View your training courses, action items and a progress bar. No emails, no back and forth, just simple, easy bookings that fit right into your schedule. Log in, explore and let's make 2026 your best year yet.